What is qualitative and quantitative research? Qualitative research it is a method used to explore and understand people's experiences, perspectives, and behaviors in depth. It aims to uncover underlying motivations, attitudes, and cultural contexts that influence human behavior. This type of research often involves collecting non-numerical data, such as text, audio, or visual materials, and then analyzing them to identify patterns and themes. Qualitative research is often used when researchers want to gain insights into complex social phenomena or when they are exploring relatively uncharted territories. Example of qualitative research: imagine a study that aims to explore the reasons behind people's decision to switch careers in their mid-30s. Researchers might conduct in-depth interviews with a small group of participants who have recently made such career changes. The interviews could delve into their personal experiences, challenges, emotions, and thought processes during this transition. The goal would be to identify common themes and patterns that provide a deeper understanding of the motivations behind such career shifts. Quantitative research it is a method used to gather numerical data and analyze it statistically. It involves collecting data through structured instruments such as surveys, experiments, and then analyzing the data using statistical techniques to draw conclusions and make generalizations. This type of research is often used when researchers aim to quantify relationships, test hypotheses, and establish patterns that can be measured objectively. Example of quantitative research. Suppose a research study aims to investigate the relationship between hours of study and academic performance among college students. Researchers might distribute a survey to a large sample of students, asking them to report the average number of hours they study per week and their corresponding grades. By analyzing the data using statistical methods, such as correlation analysis, the researchers could determine whether there is a significant relationship between study hours and academic performance. Difference between qualitative and quantitative research. 1. Data type. Qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data, such as text, images, or narratives. Quantitative research involves collecting and analyzing numerical data using statistical methods. 2. Research objective. Qualitative research aims to explore and understand underlying motivations, attitudes, and behaviors in depth. Quantitative research aims to quantify relationships, test hypotheses, and establish patterns through numerical analysis. 3. Sample size. Qualitative research typically involves a smaller sample size, often selected purposefully to represent a range of perspectives. Quantitative research generally involves a larger sample size, with the goal of making statistically significant conclusions about a larger population. 4. Analysis approach. Qualitative research involves thematic analysis, content analysis, or narrative analysis to identify patterns and themes in the data. Quantitative research involves statistical analysis, such as regression analysis, t-tests, or ANOVA, to analyze numerical data and test hypotheses. 5. Generalizability. Qualitative research emphasizes deep understanding but may have limited generalizability due to the small, non-random samples. Quantitative research aims for higher generalizability to the larger population through random sampling and statistical analysis. Both qualitative and quantitative research approaches have their strengths and weaknesses, and researchers often choose the one that aligns with their research objectives and questions. In some cases, researchers may even combine both methods, known as mixed methods research, to gain a more comprehensive understanding of a phenomenon.